brings us to the green and fertile north. Travelling with me is my friend Guy Green. And he's an expert in gathering food for the pot. He's come to Galicia on the northeast coast. Battered by the Atlantic, this is the seafood capital of Spain, and the Galician specialty is almost a religion. The most popular local dish is octopus. Octopus in Galicia is like roast beef and Yorkshire puddings. Regional speciality. They are everywhere here. They're so passionate about octopus that they have competitions about who can cook the best octopus. They have different styles of cooking octopus. Octopus graces at every single cantina table in the whole of It's September, so we timed it right to catch the end of the season. There's a skill to catching octopus and an art to cooking it. With some local expertise and hoping to master both.
Aren't these guys wonderful? One of them like in a Galician-based odd couple film, and you got a hit. You know what I mean?
These guys may look like film experts, but they're pretty serious about catching octopus. So essentially what I do is top and left. You basically want to find the nooks and the crannies. And I've got a holes here, and I've got a sardine.